Welcome to my review of Contao, a powerful open-source website builder that offers extensive customization options and flexibility. First, let's take a look at the homepage. The clean design and intuitive layout immediately give you a sense of the platform's user-friendly approach. It's a great tool for developers and those looking to create a tailored website without being tied to a rigid template. Once you sign up and log in, you're greeted with a well-organized dashboard. This is where you'll manage all aspects of your website, from creating content to configuring design elements. The backend is pretty straightforward, with everything you need neatly organized in the menu. As a developer, you'll appreciate the flexibility to dive into the code if you wish, but beginners will find it simple to get started using the built-in tools and templates. The Content Management System, CMS, is what sets Contao apart. It provides powerful features like multi-language support, advanced SEO options, and robust permissions management. Whether you're building a blog, business site, or e-commerce platform, Contao's CMS adapts to your needs. One standout feature is the Page Layout Editor, which allows you to drag and drop elements to build your page structure. Now, let's talk about customization. Contao offers a wide range of extensions that allow you to add specific functionality to your site, such as forms, galleries, and newsletters. For developers, you can extend the core functionality even further by writing custom code. This makes Contao an ideal platform for more complex sites, but the learning curve may be a bit steep for those new to website development. However, the community support is solid, and you can find plenty of tutorials and guides online. Many useful links can be found in the description after watching this video, so be sure to check them out for additional resources. Contao's design flexibility is excellent. You have full control over the site's appearance, from the overall layout to specific design elements like fonts and colors. The platform also supports responsive design, ensuring your site looks great on any device. One small downside is that Contao can feel a bit overwhelming for complete beginners. While the platform is powerful, it does require a bit of time to get used to. In conclusion, Contao is a great option for those looking for a flexible and scalable website builder. It might not be the easiest platform for absolute beginners, but if you're familiar with web development or are willing to invest time in learning, it offers a lot of potential for creating customized websites. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.